Today, we will explore a simple process designed to resolve the issue of encountering a white screen while using an online shopping site. This method focuses on resetting certain browser settings that may be causing the display problem. The entire procedure takes only a few minutes provided you follow each instruction carefully. Begin by launching your web browser. Whether you use a popular browser from a familiar provider or another option, ensure it opens correctly so that you can begin the troubleshooting process effectively. Taking the time to verify that your browser is open and running might seem obvious, but it is an important first step before moving forward with any changes. Once your browser is open, direct your attention to its interface where you will find additional options to adjust settings. Locate the icon that consists of three dots, typically positioned in the upper right corner of your screen. This icon serves as a gateway to a variety of deeper settings and customization menus within your browser. Clicking on the three-dot icon reveals a menu with several options, and it is from here that you will navigate to the next set of instructions. After revealing the menu by clicking the three-dot icon, move on to the settings section of your browser. In this area, you are given the opportunity to modify various configurations that determine how your browser interacts with websites and stores data. Browse through the list of options until you see a section related to privacy and security. This section is essential as many display issues like a white screen can be connected to cached data and cookies, interfering with site functionality. Within the privacy and security section, you will find an option to clear or delete browsing data. Selecting this option is a crucial step because it allows you to remove stored information that might be preventing the online shopping site from displaying properly. As you progress, you will be asked to choose specific data types to delete. At this point, focus specifically on the cookies and other site data. Cookies are small files that websites store on your computer to remember your login information and preferences. However, outdated or corrupted cookies can sometimes cause issues like the white screen you are experiencing. After you have identified cookies and other site data as the target for removal, proceed to click on the option that stands for removing this data from your browser. This action instructs your browser to purge any stored cookies and similar data, effectively refreshing the connection to the online shopping site. Once this process is complete, your browser will be in a better state to handle the web page's requirements and the white screen issue should be resolved. By following these steps carefully, you have not only addressed a common display problem, but also learned how to access and manage essential privacy settings in your browser. This knowledge can be useful in the future whenever you face similar browser-related challenges. Enjoy a smoother and more reliable shopping experience online.